Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Among Us in the style of Super Mario Brothers. Yesterday we did Bowser, today we're going to do Toad. I did a Mario a while back. I'm going to maybe go through a bunch of these characters, so let's get started, okay? This is going to be for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you will be able to do this. So let's get into it, alright? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curved line over here for the top of the visor or the window that, you know, all crewmates have for Among Us. I'm using a marker, by the way. You can use anything you want. Pencil, pen, whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. It's about the structure of what we're doing. I'm gonna curve over here to the front. Right? Curve on the left side over here. Then I'm gonna curve at the bottom. Alrighty, so that looks like a pillow to me, right? That's the window, the visor, right? The window the crewmate looks through. To me, that looks like a pillow shape. And the reason I pull up those metaphors, or I like to think of shapes as other things, is because it's easier to remember. You'll remember this a month from now, that shape looks like a pillow, right? You'll remember it. So that's kind of why I compare it to other shapes a lot. Breaking anything down to simple shapes is the way to learn it and to memorize it. You know, we're not here just to draw, you're here to remember how to do it. Curve up right here for the forehead, see that, the little line? And I'm gonna run a line back, top of the head. It's not really the top of the head, we're gonna have the mushroom up here, but for now we're gonna do that. Okay, toward the front, we're gonna pull a line down. There. That's the front of the stomach all the way into the foot as well. We're gonna go back here. We're gonna pull a line down from the back of the hat, or it's gonna be the bottom of the hat, right? So the back right here all the way down, and that's gonna be just a straight line. One thing I want to talk about really fast is this straight line right here is the longest stroke in the entire drawing. So some people might find it to be hard. Other people find it to be easy. Curve over here for the bottom of the foot, which looks like a marshmallow shape, really. Or curve up, like straight up. So it really looks like a marshmallow. Curve over here. Up. And we're gonna pull across right here for the underneath the body there. So far, so good, right? Simple crewmate. Simple, looks like a simple crewmate. We got this pretty much going pretty well. One thing is, don't forget, hit the subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. We're gonna post. I'm posting every day almost, and I'll try to revamp the schedule on the banner there. All right, so let's go to the mushroom. The mushroom is like a big part of this, so it's a curved line. You can pull it in pieces as well, so you don't have to pull one large stroke in case you're afraid to do that. Continue right here, and continue right here. We're gonna have this curved shape for the mushroom, right? Toad is a little mushroom character. It's not going to be as big though as, you know, on traditional Toad, it's a really wild shape. So like really huge shape. So we're not going to do that. All right, let's go to the back here. So we're going to look at this. Look at the top of this visor, bottom. So let's go to the middle of that, right? We're not going to touch the paper though. We're going to go back. And we're going to put a line because that's going to be where the top of the backpack is in the back. Backpack is in the back. And then down here around the level of the, the lower body right here, put a line down there. So I mark those two lines because I want to know where I'm going to pull that line to. So I'm going to go from up here, right? And we're going to pull it out a little bit and then curve it and then straight down and then curve it back in. So let's do that. Out, curve, right? Straight down, curve. Alrighty, sweet. Doing good so far. So Toad has a vest on. There's not a whole bunch of clothes he has. He has a little vest on. So we're going to draw that right now. Curve line in. And I'm going to curve downward. And then curve up. Then we'll go on there, on this side. Pull in. Straight down. There. So it's essentially like a, kind of think of it as like, maybe like doors or something. I don't know. Like, so we have this shape right here, and we have this shape, and they're reflective of each other. But this one's, you see less of this on this side because he's turning that way a little bit. All right, so let's go back here. We're gonna repeat this shape on the inside. So for example, see how there's a straight line right here? I'm going to draw a straight line there on the inside, and I'm gonna mirror this, but on the inside. So curve here, gonna go straight up. Curve around that corner. Like so. So it's literally the same shape, but, you know, smaller and on the inside. We're gonna do the exact same thing on this side, okay? So we're gonna mirror that shape right there. Mirror this. Not even mirror, it's really like a copy. Down. Curve along there, and we're gonna pull back. Okay? Doing good, right? He has shoes, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull a line across here. Line across here. I think he has shoes, right? He has these like brown feet, which look like giant peanuts or something. But right now we're calling it a mushroom. Okay, so now we're gonna put the dots on his mushroom hat, which is a really, really big character thing that he does. So we're gonna do that right now. So right now we're gonna draw a circle right at the front. And again, if you don't want to draw that circle all at once, because you're maybe like, you know, your hands are shaky or you're afraid to throw that one, especially if you're doing it in ink, it's like, wow, you have one shot. You could, you know, it might mess it up. Just do it like this. See how we're doing it in segments? Right there. I'm going to go over here, just keep pulling it here. And I'm going to pull it over here. All right. Let us over here, he's gonna have a dot around the corner. You're not gonna see it because it's literally around the side. So you're gonna see the side edge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a curved line. Right here, I'm gonna throw a curved line. And I'm gonna throw a curved line around this area. And then we're gonna go back over here, same thing. It's kind of, you're gonna see more of it on this side because he's slightly turned that way. Sorry if I'm covering it up too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to throw a curved line right here. Like so. And that is mostly, no, not yet, not yet. I'm not gonna say that's it yet. Hold on, I'm gonna, if you want, you can fix some. This is the repair stage where I'm like, there's a little line I want to thicken out a little bit. By the way, I'm a huge Super Mario Brothers fan. Hopefully you are too. I love Super Mario Brothers. Huge, huge fan. Oh my god, I forgot one thing. He's got a shirt on, so we gotta draw a line here. Kind of like a shirt shape, in a way. That is it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. If you're here this long, you are amazing. If you can hear my voice right now, say hi to me. What I want you to do is I want you to kind of tell me what else you want to see from the channel. I'm going to do more Super Mario Brothers crossover with Among Us because it's two video games I love. So I want to do everybody. I want to go like with Princess Peach and like, I guess Luigi. Although Mario kind of covers that. I already did Bowser. If you can think of any other Among Us crossovers, let me know. But like I said, if you hear my voice right now, say hi to me in the comments and let me know what your thoughts are. That always helps out. And that is it. Also, don't forget, check out the Cute Drawing ebook. It's in the description. It is an ebook on how to draw cute stuff. really, really, really big deal if you are into that. It is completely free for now. One day I'm going to charge for it, but right now, completely free. So go check that out while it is. That is it. Talk to you later, and I will see you next time for hour-long lessons. I do have them on my Skillshare. You can also check that out in the description. Talk to you later on.